Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Saroj Parajuli and today we will be talking about Mendel's first law, which is also known as law of dominance. So, what is law of dominance? So, before talking about law of dominance, we need to understand some of the trait that we need for law of dominance. So, there should be pure contrasting trait and two parents should be crossed. So when we cross two different parents having pure contrasting trait, then in the hybrid we see only one form of trait. This phenomenon of the hybrid showing only the trait of a single parent is called law of dominance. It doesn't show two traits, it shows only one trait. So that is law of dominance, and the only one trait that is shown in the hybrid is called dominant trait. So it will be easier for us to understand if we have some example. So first let's consider height of the plant. Let's consider TT, capital T to capital T as tall plant and small t as dwarf plant. So this is dwarf plant, this is tall plant. So if we cross these two plants, then one allele from the tall plant and one allele from the dwarf plant will be shown in the hybrid. And when these two alleles forms a trait, one of the trait is going to show the dominance effect on the other trait. So only the tall phenotype will be seen. Tall. So we see this is tall plant, this is short plant or dwarf plant. Then the phenotype capital T and small t is a hybrid and it shows only tall characteristic, not the short one. So this is called law of dominance, and this trait is called dominant trait, or tall is a dominant trait and dwarf is a recessive trait. And let's move to second example so that it will be more easier for us to understand. So in the second trait we are talking about disease resistance in the plant. So capital R, this is resistant plant, and small r, that is susceptible plant. So this is susceptible plant. So if we cross capital R and small r, then the progeny is going to be capital R and small r. So here R is a dominant trait and small r, it is a recessive trait. So the hybrid will show only one character out of resistant and susceptible, it will show only one trait. So that is going to be a resistant progeny. Capital R and small r is going to be resistant. This is dominant parent, this is recessive parent. This is dominant trait and this is recessive trait. So in the hybrid, after crossing those two parents, it will show a single trait, that is a resistant trait. So this capital R and small r will show resistant phenotype, and this disease resistance is called dominant trait, and the whole phenomenon is called dominance, and this is called law of dominance. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my content and want to learn more about genetics, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. I will see you in next video. Thank you so much.